If you're looking for a browser that's different from Chrome, Edge, or even Firefox, there's one project that's getting a lot of attention in the Linux community right now, and it's called Zen Browser. Today, I'll show you what Zen Browser is, how to install it on Linux Mint 22.3 Cinnamon, and why many Linux users are switching to it for their daily browsing. Most modern browsers are packed with features, but they often feel cluttered and distracting. Zen Browser takes a different approach. The goal is simple: create a browser that feels calm, clean, productive, and privacy-focused. Right away, you'll notice that Zen Browser looks different from traditional browsers. Instead of trying to copy Chrome, it has its own design language that feels modern and minimal. The interface is clean, animations are smooth, and everything is designed to help you focus on your work instead of fighting with dozens of tabs. Before we explore the features, let's install it. Open your browser and visit the Zen Browser website. Head over to the Downloads section and select the Linux version. Once the file has finished downloading, simply follow the installation process shown on screen. After launching Zen Browser for the first time, you'll immediately notice one of its biggest strengths: organization. If you're someone who constantly has dozens of tabs open, Workspaces can make a huge difference. Instead of keeping everything mixed together in one window, you can create separate workspaces for different projects. For example, you can have one workspace for work, another for YouTube, another for research, and another for personal browsing. Switching between them takes only a second, and your tabs stay organized without creating chaos. Another feature I really like is compact mode. Many browsers waste a surprising amount of screen space. Zen Browser gives you the option to hide interface elements when you don't need them. This leaves more room for websites, documents, videos, and applications. If you're using a laptop or a smaller monitor, compact mode can make browsing feel much cleaner and less crowded. Next is Split View. This feature lets you place two websites side by side inside the same browser window. Imagine comparing two products, reading documentation while following a tutorial, or researching information from multiple sources. Instead of opening separate windows and constantly switching back and forth, everything stays together in one workspace. Zen Browser also includes a feature called Glance. We all have a few tabs we visit repeatedly throughout the day. Instead of digging through a long list of tabs or searching through history, Glance makes it easier to jump back to frequently used pages quickly. It's a small feature, but once you start using it, it can save a surprising amount of time. Now let's talk about privacy. One reason many Linux users are interested in Zen Browser is its focus on user privacy. The project emphasizes that your browsing experience should come first, not data collection. That's becoming increasingly important today when so many online services seem more interested in tracking users than helping them. Performance is another strong point. Zen Browser feels responsive, launches quickly, and handles multiple tabs smoothly. Combined with its clean interface, the overall experience feels lightweight and focused. Of course, no browser is perfect. Zen Browser is still a relatively young project compared to browsers like Firefox or Chrome. That means some features are still evolving and occasional bugs may appear, but development is active and improvements are arriving regularly. For Linux Mint users who want something modern, privacy-focused, and designed around productivity instead of distractions, Zen Browser is definitely worth trying. It offers a refreshing experience that feels different from the usual browsers, while still providing the tools most people need every day. If you've been looking for a cleaner and more organized way to browse the web on Linux Mint 22.3 Cinnamon, Zen Browser might be exactly what you're looking for.